two big names in business formation are battling for your startup: Northwest Registered Agent versus Stripe Atlas. Which one really delivers? On the left, the personalized, nationwide flexibility of Northwest Registered Agent. And on the right, the startup-focused Stripe Atlas, famed for easy Delaware incorporation. Let's skip the industry jargon and focus on what truly matters for founders in 2025. Each category racks up points, and by the end you'll know exactly who has the real edge. The winner might just surprise you. Okay, let me show you a quick mind map of all the cool categories we'll cover. First up, pricing, which is always top of mind. Then we've got geographic coverage, which is surprisingly important depending on where you want to launch. Following that, service features, support, and guidance, because let's face it, you want to feel taken care of. And finally, best for, basically, who's gonna vibe more with which service. Let's kick things off with pricing. So Northwest Registered Agent honestly makes it super easy for your wallet. LLC formation starts at just $39, though you do pay extra state fees. And they've got an EIN service for $200, not bad if you want help with that IRS paperwork. What I love, no upsells, and their pricing is so transparent, seriously, no gotchas. Just watch out, because state fees can really vary depending on where you file. Now, Stripe Atlas, okay, they're just like, hey, flat fee, $500 whether it's an LLC or a C Corp. That feels simple, but if you're a solo founder or a super tiny business, you're definitely paying more upfront. Oh, and you can only incorporate in Delaware, so, limits, right? Between these two, Northwest snags the win for best pricing. Next scene, geographic coverage. This is kinda huge. Northwest, they let you set up in any US state. Like if you want a privacy-focused state like New Mexico or Wyoming, they've got you covered. Flexibility is their game. The only hiccup, each state's requirements can be a bit of an adventure. Now Stripe Atlas, honestly, it's Delaware or bust, that's it. So if you're set on Delaware, you're golden, but if you want something different, not gonna happen. Winner here, definitely Northwest for having options. Now let's get into service features. Northwest gives you a registered agent service bundled in, and they help you stay compliant. Think annual reports, mail forwarding, even EIN acquisition if you need it. Just a heads up, they don't hook you up with payment setup, so no Stripe magic there. Speaking of Stripe Atlas, and here's something cool, they have integrated banking and payout with Stripe, so you can literally get paid as soon as you finish incorporating. Super startup focused, cap table management, share issuance, easy for raising money. It's perfect if you're headed for VC land. Post setup though, they're less hands-on with compliance, so that's something to think about. For features, Stripe Atlas takes the crown. Okay, random fact break. Did you know Delaware is home to over 1 million business entities? That's more than half of all publicly traded US companies. No wonder so many startups want to set up shop there. Alright, moving on, support and guidance. Northwest, they've been around for over 20 years and they actually assign a dedicated specialist to each client. So if you hate bots and help desks, this is a breath of fresh air. Plus, people rave about their customer support. Only thing, they're not exactly spilling secrets about startup funding or VC stuff, which might matter for some of you. With Stripe Atlas, you get awesome onboarding docs and plenty of startup legal guides, which is super helpful if you're new to that world. But it's a bit less personal, especially for the small business crowd. So who wins support? Northwest is the champ for going above and beyond. Finally, best for, so Northwest fits solo founders, small businesses, and maybe even international folks who want a budget LLC and EIN. Not so much the startup fundraising crowd though. Stripe Atlas? That's very much for tech startups, especially if you've got multiple founders or plan to do the VC dance. But honestly, for tiny teams or solos, Stripe Atlas might feel like overkill. On this one, no clear winner. Both score high, just depends what type of entrepreneur you are. Let's quickly pull up a side-by-side radar chart so you can visualize how Northwest and Stripe Atlas stack up across all the categories we just talked about. You'll see the strengths and quirks pop right out. So here's my honest take. Northwest Registered Agent is totally the move if you're a solo founder, small biz owner, or just want something affordable and private. Super flexible. But if you're set on the whole raise capital, issue shares, and get paid fast in Delaware thing, Stripe Atlas feels like a startup cheat code. Both have their magic, just gotta pick what matches your goals. Found this comparison helpful? Make sure to stick around for more cool breakdowns and entrepreneurial hacks. Catch you in the next one.